Hi guys, this is Rajiv Nedungadi here, and today I'm going to unbox the Blu-ray of Rendel Dark Vengeance. This is a spine. This is released by Scream Factory. So the special features include an exciting look behind the scenes of Rendel, including an interview with writer-director Jesse Haja. We've seen a lot of logos over here. It's a Region 8 Blu-ray disc. It's from Shout Factory. We've got English 5.1 and English and then Finnish. Includes scenes of fantasy, violence, and adult themes. Total runtime is 108 minutes. English HDH subtitles. It's a 2017 release. So let's open this and see what we have inside. So we have some artwork inside. So thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please click on like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.